You won't believe what is inside Chinatown, Kampala. Hidden deals and secrets. You won't believe what's inside Chinatown, Kampala as we stepped into one of the most talked about shopping destinations in Uganda right now. From crazy low prices to unexpected finds. This place is full of surprises that might completely change how you see shopping in Kampala. As you arrive at Chinatown, Kampala, the first thing that you notice is the energy. People moving in and out, bags in hand, excitement in the air. From the outside, it looks like just another shopping complex. But once you step inside, you quickly realize this place is different. Walking through, you are hit with rows and rows of products, electronics, clothes, home items, gadgets, you name it. And then comes the shock. The prices. Some items are so cheap, it almost feels unreal. You start asking yourself, how is this even possible? This is where things get interesting. Shoppers are hunting for bargains, comparing prices, and filling up charts. Some say this is the best place in Kampala to find affordable goods, but others are more skeptical. Are these deals too good to be real true? What's the real story behind these prices? Now, here's what many people don't talk about. Behind the busy shopping experience, there are questions about quality, sourcing, and how these businesses operate. Some items may not last as long as expected. Some deals come with trade-offs. So while the price is attractive, the real question is, what are you actually getting? Despite everything, Chinatown, Kampala, continues to attract crowds every single day. For many, it's an opportunity to save money, explore new products, and experience something new. For others, it is a place filled with curiosity, debate, and unanswered questions. So now you have seen it, the deals, the surprises, and the hidden side of Chinatown, Kampala. But the question is, would you stop here? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned, because there are more hidden places in Uganda that most people never get to see.